look like, oh, you're beautiful. Let's get him on the show. All right. Let's do it, eh? I want to shoot this video, too. We'll do some crazy shit. I'm sick ass shit. I'll do that shit. Hit me up. I'll show you the videos I've done. You'll be like, oh, fuck, sure. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thanks, eh? Yeah, it's all positive. Just trying to go toward the same, blast off and shit. Do good things, yeah.
Understand that, you know what I'm saying? Everybody out there trying to get in on this, you know? Yeah.
Exactly. That's all we do, building relationships.
Oh, yeah. Having fun at the same time.
Don't get me wrong. That's nothing but respect for firefighters. But as a firefighter, I can't travel.
My grandfather was a firefighter. Yeah, he got blasted out of a window. I guess an explosion happened. He kind of flew out over the Cape Cod and shit, but he survived. But he always made good bread. You know what I mean? He had a good, all that shit, the medical benefits and all that. But hey, to each his own. Everybody has their own thing to do, man. Hey, and if it's better than firefighting, shit, that's better. Fuck, fuck yeah.
I don't keep myself in danger.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Straight up, real
Danger of falling in love with a girl at 10.
You don't know my life. Yeah, none of my husband radio. We're one of our 6116. Kyle. There it is, man. Good shit.
I appreciate you coming through, brother, man. We're gonna connect soon. We're gonna party soon. We already did tonight, but another time.
Yeah, no, I mean more so.
Yeah.
Next time party.
Yeah, thanks.
I want to have someone drive me.
Yeah,
no,
we'll get somebody.